Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. Hi, Scorpio, and welcome to Magical Solstice reading for June 2021 up until the next 6 months. Winter solstice in the southern hemisphere, summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. Yes, I got it right this time and not got tongue tied. And let's go ahead and choose your card for your Magical Solstice reading. Okay, ooh. So, first off, right off the bat, we have body care, Scorpio. Body care, and second, we have playfulness. So looks like you need a bit of play, and that makes sense for Scorpio because Scorpios are a little bit serious sometimes, not all the time. And lastly, oh, interesting, you've got the Miracle card, which just came up right now for well, I just did Virgos. So beautiful cards, Scorpio. Let's go ahead and pick them out. Body care, playfulness, miracles. So let's read them in store, what's in store for you for the next 6 months. And again, I just want to show you they all have a very light energy. I mean, caring, play, and miracles of lovely light energy. And again, I think it's for you to lighten up a bit, for you to be more lighthearted, Scorpio, because sometimes you can be a bit serious. Scorpio has Mars as its ruler, planet Mars, and I know this because I'm Aries, and Aries also has Mars as its ruler. So, Scorpio, I know from personal experiences, no judgment here. Aries can be a little serious sometimes, not all the time, usually very playful. But Scorpios can be pretty serious because they're very focused on goals and the end goal and making things happen, creating structure to achieve things. But the next 6 months, you bring us to be more playful. Remember the lightness of being, remember the sweetness of life, remember that which brings you sweetness and joy, and do more of those, whether it's gardening, music, reading, having a cup of tea in the sunshine, dancing, whatever it is for you, singing in the shower, just little things. It doesn't have to be a whole day of fun. But for goodness sake, Scorpio, include a little bit of fun in your next 6 months. That'll help you with this ride the magical solstice energy to create and attract more of that which you wish to attract in your life, even those goals. So a little bit of play goes a long way. Ah, nice rhyme. And body care, remember to take care of yourself. I'm thinking more self care. Yeah, body care, yes, like go walking or jogging or gymming, whatever it is for you, even stretching or yoga, Pilates at home. If you don't wish to go out, or if it's raining or snowing wherever you are, or if it's winter, like in the southern hemisphere, but doing something. But I'm also drawn to the word care. I think just having more care for yourself, for your heart, taking care of your heart. Sometimes Scorpios can be like Aries, like even Cancer can be a bit sensitive, but not show it. Even Libra, I think all the cardinal signs can be a bit sensitive, but try not to show it. But I think Scorpio is not a cardinal sign, but definitely tries to put on a tough exterior sometimes when they need a bit more care. So having a bit of time, making some time for self-care, and also care for your heart and your sensitivities, your mind, body, soul, um, forgiving when needing to, surrendering, and also taking care of that which is important to you, following your heart, putting yourself first, putting things you need to do first. Whether it's your body, your mind, your heart, or soul, will help you over the next 6 months, in the beginning part of the next 6 months. And then you have the play energy. So it's time around the mid 6 months to chill out, to play, to be more light, to have fun. I'm seeing like company get-togethers or birthdays or family get-togethers, but even just play with yourself, Scorpio, in terms of having time out sitting in the garden, chilling out with friends or family, even if it's just you watching a video game or a movie or listening to music, dancing when no one's watching, but doing stuff to help you play. And the last card is all of these things here are going to help you attract the miracles you wish to attract. So start being clear on your goals, which you wish to manifest, because I see definitely at least one or two, one major, maybe another minor, fulfilling and coming to fruition by the end of the year. So that's it for you, Scorpio. Some magical solstice energy. I hope this reading helps. Please comment down below with the dream you wish to create with this solstice energy, and we will see you soon. Have a great summer solstice and winter solstice, Scorpio. Bye. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and it's today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean. And there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go. Just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care. Bye.